Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if YouTube videos are showing nothing but a black screen on your PC, don't worry, it's a common issue. And of course in this video we will fix it. So firstly, if the issue remains, just check your internet connection. Slow or unstable internet can cause videos to load as a black screen. So try running a speed test and restart your router if needed. And now also you can try clearing the browser cache. This often helps fixing a lot of issues. So for that, on your keyboard, just press on Ctrl-Shift-Delete like this, and just press on Delete Data. But if you want to keep your cookies, if you don't want to delete them, and you will need to, of course, log into the every website once again. If you don't want to do that, just uncheck this. If you do, just check it and then just click on Delete Data. Also, guys, you want to go to your extensions and make sure that you remove the unnecessary extensions. Okay, I don't really have any. Maybe this one, remove this, and just leave the essential ones. So sometimes they interfere with YouTube, especially ad blockers as well. So you might want to remove them. Also, guys, the other two things that you might want to try doing is firstly update your browser. So go Help, About Chrome, and make sure it's up to date. And also update your drivers. So in your drivers, so I'm using the AMD card. So just go to Manage Updates. If you have any updates available here, just press on this download button and install them. And if nothing helps, you might want to try reinstalling the browser and then restarting your PC. And if this doesn't help, you can try using another browser. For example, you can try Brave, Firefox or Opera, something like that. And by following these steps in general, you should be able to fix this. Guys, thank you for watching. If this helped, press like on the video, subscribe, and I will see you soon in the next one.